I'm Allison Croft. I'm at the LaserStar Technologies booth, and to talk a little bit more about their product, James Gervais is the president and COO of LaserStar Technologies. Thanks for talking with us.
Thank you, Allison. Thanks for having us, and
Yeah.
thanks for coming over and learning more about LaserStar.
Absolutely. You've been coming to SHOT Show for 6 years.
We have, and we were on the wait list for 6 years to get into the show, believe it or not.
Wow.
And it's really been a great event for us, for LaserStar Technologies. We're really a laser systems and source manufacturer with a high level of applications expertise in deep engraving, cutting and welding applications, which really suits a lot of the needs and requirements of today's firearms and tactical marketplace.
And you have some examples of some
We
of the
do,
work
exactly.
that you do.
Here, what we're really focusing on, which is a hot item for the market today, is machines that allow users to take firearms in many different shapes and sizes and customize them with unique artistic patterns, branding marks, 2D matrix barcodes, applying colors, not only for handguns and rifles, etc., but for knives, cutlery, stippling applications, etc. Maybe I could show you a few of those pieces.
Yeah, absolutely.
Here's a very popular item here at the show. This is a lower, an 80-20 lower from an AR-15 rifle, and what we've done here is we have actually custom engraved this whole area.
It's beautiful.
Traditionally, this couldn't be done, or maybe done very laboriously by hand, but the laser allows you to design it all in the software, and the power is really in the StarFX Premier software. And we teach people how to run the software, by the way, and to be able to lay it in the machine, align it, set the depth requirements, and then walk away and come back when it's done.
You probably have a lot of people stop by the booth.
We do. I think in the first day and a half here, we scanned almost 100 leads.
That's incredible.
So it's very powerful. So this is a hot item right now. This type of work, people show me how to do this, show me how to do that. And the applications really tell the story, whether it's marking on PMags, customizing these types of applications with different colors and tones. Again, our software has all the libraries built in. There's a lot of other laser companies here offering similar type of work, but nobody has the libraries of the colors, the shapes, the sizes, how to get the depths that we do. It's over many, many years of experience and research in our LaserStar Applications Laboratory.
And you have the machines here.
We
to be
do.
able
This
to
is a
show
perfect
it.
example of one of our most common machines. It's an open workspace design, and it's allows the user to have freedom of movement. So if they're using or want to engrave guns or rifles or barrels, this machine can do it. And what we're running here is it's a video loop that shows just a variety of different applications. I mean, many people say, what can or can't I do? And it really comes down to there's no limit to the artistic side that you can apply on basically cutting metal. The laser will basically cut or engrave whatever you tell it to do, whatever you draw. So if there's any tip for a user, they need to have somebody who has some strong desktop publishing capabilities, familiar with Illustrator or InDesign or Corel Draw, just to name a few.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for spending some time to
My
talk
pleasure.
to us
We're
about
really
the
happy to
product.
be here, and we hope we'll be here for the next 5 or 6 years
Yeah,
for sure.
absolutely. Thank
All
you so much, James.
Thank you very
Thank
much
you.
for coming.